I'm gonna give you guys a complete mod list on my 2007 GT500. So let's start. I figured we start with the interior. Let's get right to it. All right, so we have 78,000 miles on this poor beast. It's a 07 GT500, like I said. I have a N2MB watt box in there. Excuse the car's very dirty. An AEM, I think it's the X series AFR gauge. We have the Gen 2 MGW race spec short throw with the Hurst pistol grip. I put the interior back in on the car. Dude, guys, I hate this. I hate it, but I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I stick this crap on there and like a month later it freaking comes off, and then yeah, that breaks too. But anyways, that's basically it for the interior of the car. I have my D5 beadlocks at home, so I'm rocking the streets for now. We have our 4-star D5. I believe this is an 18 by 5. Let's see, yeah, 18 by 5 with Mickey Thompson tire. We'll start from the front and yeah, we'll go from there. So it is a stock M122 blower. We have a 2.6 upper pulley and a Metco 90 idler. That combo is good for about, I'd say like 12.5 pounds, let's say 12 psi of boost. I have a Steeda cold air intake or hot air intake. Let's see, BBK 65 millimeter throttle body. We have little oil separator deals there. I have no idea what brand they are. Got this little ice tank right here, which, come on bitch. Whoa. I hadn't made this video actually. It took me a while because my intercooler pump was out, but I put a new one in there, so she's ready to go. We have Cooks 1 7/8 long tube headers, Optima battery. What else do we got up here? Headers, intake, pulley, throttle body, stock blower, stock port, stock lower. Yeah, stock grill, stock hood. Let's see, carbon fiber mirror deals. Those are, I guess, the little press-on ones. So from the headers, we have a 3-inch Cooks off-road X-pipe, so no cats, and then 3-inch all the way back with, guess what, mufflers? None. Shit, it's straight pipe, guys. Fucking straight pipe. I love it. It's not for everybody, I will say that. Y'all already know, if this is your first time watching, go ahead and hit that sub button, give this video a like. What else? We got the stock rear lights. A lot of people like this, the little side louver deal, or is that what it's called? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what it's actually called, but I think it gives it a good touch. That's basically it, guys. Brembos up front from factory, and then the stock style, not Brembos, for the rear brakes. It's a Nitto 555. The G2s, those are just my regular, no fucks given, melt them, drive it like you stole a tire. But what else? What am I forgetting? I think that's it, guys. Basically, yeah. So there you have it, 2007 GT500 with a 2.6 upper, Cooks long tube headers, no cats, no mufflers, Steeda intake, MGW short throw shifter. What else? That's it. I mean, I have my drag radio at the house. I don't really like leaving it parked with the Mickey Thompson slick in the back. I just don't like the flat spots on my tires. I want them to last as long as they can last. Plus, these are more fun. I like getting sideways, why lie? As you guys can tell from my previous videos. But yeah, I love the car. I picked up this bad boy, in case you guys didn't know. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I think they had a price tag of like 24,000. and it needed some suspension deals that I don't really want to get into. They knew that they weren't going to get any more than what I was telling them for it, and let's just say I got the car for 19,000 bucks, a Shelby GT500 for 19,000, and I got it with 70,000 miles. I already put like, or 73,000 miles, don't quote me. I put a lot of miles on it, well, in my opinion. But dude, this is what I bought the car for, to drive it and to have fun with it. That's what these cars are for. I feel like I got a great deal on it. This is a this is a legend to me, bro. Like, this is a collector item vehicle, and I feel very blessed to have this car. So let me be motivation to you guys. This thing costs a lot less than a freaking Mustang GT 5-liter, which I love those cars. You can find those cars still for like low 20s. You can have yourself a GT500. So do some research and get yourself one, dude. I have no regrets with this car, man, and nor do I plan on getting rid of it. If I would, someone would have to offer me, you know, 25,000, and I know nobody's gonna do that, especially with this miles. So, you know, yeah, I'm not getting rid of this thing. I brought the Dragy app with me, so we're not gonna have any traction to do a quarter mile, but I'd say we go and let's do a little 60 to 130. I'm hoping to at least not be like 10 or anything like that. Hopefully 9 seconds, or I don't know. I've never really seen what this car should be in with the bolt-ons that I have. So let's go try it out to that next clip.
30. 60.
Well guys, we just did a 60, or was it, yeah, 60 to 130. You guys just finished watching that clip. Tell me what you think about it. I thought it was pretty slow, I'm not gonna lie. Keep in mind, I've been cruising this bad B around, and that freaking Eden is super heat soaked. We did a 9.26, so 9 seconds to get from 60 to 130. I'm gonna say on a heat soaked blower. No ice in the tank. It's freaking hot. I'm in the shade right now, and I popped the hood to let her vent a little bit, but I'm gonna take her back home, put her away. I'm sure on cooler weather with some ice, she'll do like an 890, 895, 899, yeah, hopefully. But I'm not disappointed. A 9.2, that's legit, and that gives me room to improve it. So one thing that I've learned with this car is it's all about having fun, and it's all about, you know, setting some personal goals, of course achievable ones, and just, you know, getting better and better and better. Practice and practice and practice. I noticed that my watt box, the shift was a little bit too, I guess, too delayed, so I need to speed that up, or just see what the delay was on. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. You know, more donuts, more burnouts. I haven't raced anybody really, just because I already know these bolt-on E85 all-motor 5.0s will take me to Gapplebee's. But hey, if you guys want to see that, let me know. Looks like the old dinosaur she can hold her own. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Thank you all to my 1,000 subscribers. The channel is growing, and I'm gonna try to be making videos the best I can, guys. I do have a family. They have needs, of course. They are my priority, and then it's me and this stuff. So that being said, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We'll catch you guys on the next one. It's been a pleasure as always, man. Peace out.